So guys, I picked this light package recently up. It's called the Neewer LED photography light kit. So I got it off Amazon recently. So guys, this is the new Neewer light LEDs. It comes in this nice case. So first things first with this kit, before I open it, is that I noticed that it's quite padded. On all four corners actually. For the fabric, it's not the best material, it's quite cheap feeling. But I guess that's what you get for low budget light systems. Some manuals. These are the light panels. This is the first one. Cheltenham radio. And this is the second one. And they're identical. These are the stands for each panel. First things first with this, I've noticed it's very sturdy. Like, this is a 10 out of 10 mic stand. Quite a good weight to it, not too heavy, not too light, and it's very premium, if I must say. And 2 tripods. Stable. So this will go down. I'll show you where in a bit. Let me set the other one up. This is charger, 15 volts, 2 amps, AC DC. Over here is the brightness toggle. I'll show you those later. CCT function, on off, so that works. Wow. So they have a battery that's at 3200 Kelvin. To increase it, or I could decrease the brightness. Super bright. And off, basically dull. So CCT changes the Kelvin. Cool, warm. And warm. So this charger would go in here. I really like the display over here. It's very useful, and I like the soft touch. It's quite good. The size is decent.